Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you've not watched the part 1 of this video, I insist you do. I'm setting up my Alicia Souza planner for the month of January, and now I will be setting up my tall elephant planner for the month of January. It is not too much. Frankly, this planner I intend to keep sticker free as much as possible. As you guys already know from my last video, today is the 2nd of January. So this calendar I have been intending to use as one word a day kind of a calendar. So yesterday somebody in my family was ill, so that is why I have ill. Today that has been to a path of recovery, so that one word for me is recovery for the day. I think this is the journal that I have already done for today, and I will be doing up my level 10 goals shortly. I also wanted to tip in a page here again from my Archetype Studio to get my journal started here. As I mentioned in my setup video that this will be my happiness jar, this will be my worry jar. So I just want to tip in a page here. So that's it. This is how I will add in a page here. I'm taking my ruler and making sure the seams are well settled here, and then at the back I'll add some more tape to securing it. Again, this is not ideal. I will learn, and I want to do this every month, so it's a learning process for me too. Yeah, I think this is as secure as it can get. I don't mind actually putting up one more tape on the edges so that it is secured. I will report back next month what happened to this. Again, this is a hack. I'm not sure if this will work. I would love to cover these ugly pages on the back, but I'm okay. I don't intend to use this page as much. I don't know. I'll report back. I should name this spread as a worry jar. So this would be a great page every day in case if I'm worried. I've already started writing my morning and my evening routine here. So silence, affirmations, visualization, exercise and reading is here already. Here for the meals tracker, I think one of you actually mentioned to me that I can write what I have eaten that day, so that I have some sort of idea of the meal plan for that day. So I have started to write what I had eaten instead of planning for the meals. I think it's a great idea for me to write what I had eaten that day. And since this is my evening journal, it is a great way to actually write that. So thank you from one of you guys who have given me this idea. I also would like to decorate this page and welcome winter in Bombay. Again, I will go into my custom stickers and add a few stickers that will go with the theme. This itself is so pretty, I don't feel like adding too much. In Bombay, we have really little winters, possibly 15-20 days. So I want to welcome it as much as I can. And I have this cute little snowman, which I also want to put. Oh, this is so cute. And I would like to add this festive washi here as well. I don't know where, but this is so cute. I need to add it. I think this little lines that are little written, I think I'll just add my washi there. Oh, it's perfect. This looks festive. If you know me, you know me well. I can never be done with just a few stickers. So I would love to put this, as this goes really pretty with these floral prints right at the bottom here to welcome winter to Bombay. I think this looks so nice. I think that's it. We have pretty much set up As I told you, for this journal I don't intend to put in a lot of stickers, so I think that is it. This is all I want to set up the Tall Elephant planner. And the tip-in page went in pretty smooth. You can't tell, as you can see from here, that you actually tipped in a page here. I can't figure. Okay, yeah, this is your tipped in page. It is blended pretty decently, and now this is how my January will look like. This is so pretty. I'll just give you a quick flip through. This will be, I'm just hiding my journal pages. This will be my regular month. This is my happiness jar. This will be my worry jar. My miracle morning routine setup. My meal, post meal planner. And that's it. This is all that I've setting up for the month of January in my Tall Elephant planner. Thank you for watching. Bye now.